Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Check it out. I'm going to repaint over this one. We had done this a long time ago, or I had done this a long time ago, and when it was drying, I had a cat that jumped on it. so we never did use it. And what I'm going to do is I'm kind of wanting to do just some shades of blue, and I'm going to layer them from dark to light and use a little bit of white and just kind of blend them in, and so it looks like it's flowing. So the colors that I'm using are Creative Inspirations Sky Blue. That'll be my lightest blue. And then Blinkrylic Florescent Blue. And then I have Blinkrylic's Phaloto Blue. And then my darker one is the Phaloto Blue, and then Amsterdam's black, Oxide black. I mixed a little bit of black in there with this. The white is just Artist Lofts acrylic white. And yeah, so get these out of the way here. So I'm just gonna kind of just pour down, and I know I have you at a different angle because with my back I'm gonna have to go back and forth to the other side to do that, because I'm not gonna be able to reach across there. So let me, hopefully I have enough paint. I'm sure that I do. I kind of used Mina Villegas, her formula. You take the width times the height divided by 28. gonna bring it down for a close-up because this is how I'm gonna hang it. This will be the bottom and then that will be the top. But I think I might even do this in some purples and pinks because my bedroom I have more of those colors, but yeah, I like this a lot. I'm pretty excited about it. Let me bring it down for a close-up. Okay, everybody, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. Sorry about my hands are really shaky today. But just look at those colors, look at those cells. So this is how I would hang it. So like this would be the bottom and then the top. But I guess it could go any way you wanted it to. And just look at those cells. Like crazy cool. Those big old ones. I don't know what those are doing. But it's so beautiful. I love this dark blue. And it's just the Blinkrylic's phthalo blue and then a little bit of Amsterdam's Oxide black in there. Just to darken it up some. Because I just wanted like different shades. And kind of go up lighter. But it's so pretty. Look at those crazy stuff going on there. But it's beautiful. I think it is anyway. You guys will have to tell me what you think. It's really fun. Got to refurbish a canvas. That's a plus. I really do like this. It's really pretty. But I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any suggestions or ideas or maybe some colors that you want me to see me do this is kind of cool. I think I'm going to do this in a couple different other shades of colors. And yeah. But I do thank you guys for watching. I think I already said that. If you're new, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you. Sorry I didn't talk a whole lot in this video. It was kind of a big one, so I was concentrating. Just play little jams for you. And I hope you enjoyed it and you'll like and subscribe and share and hit that notification bell. I usually post videos on Sundays and Wednesdays, sometimes random ones here and there. If I do collabs or something, or just because. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. I love you, love you, love you guys. Love all the nice comments you say. I appreciate all your support. And yeah, I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.